So what you can also do is you can go around and then add in Universal Countdown Leader inside of Adobe Premiere Elements. So to do that, you need to go around onto the project assets right here. And once you go around over here, you can click on this panel option right here. And once you do that, you need to go around and click on new item. And over here, you need to go around and select out Universal Countdown Leader. Once you do that, this is what you have, as you can see. And there's Q on beep 2 right here. But I'm going to Q beep on all second starts right here. You can go around and choose around the white color and make it colorful as well. Let's say, for example, let's go around and make it a bit green right here, just like this. And if I were to press OK, you can see a preview over here as well. Let me just go around and choose the background color to be a bit yellowish right here. So let's just go around and make it yellow. So that is what you have. You can go around and change around the line color right here. So let me just go around and make it like a blue right here. Then you can go around and change around the target color right here, just like this. And this is the target right here. Then you got the numerical colors over here, just like this. And then let me just go around and make it purple over here. So this is what you have. So once you go around and do that, you can press OK. And this is what you have right here. So let me just go around and press the play button. So let me just go around over here and click outside and press the play button to preview this out. And as per the colors that we chose, and there's as we chose beep in all numbers right here, all Qs, you can see that it beeps in all Qs, and then we got the numbers right here as well. So that is how you can work around with the Universal Countdown Leader inside of Adobe Premiere Elements. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.